Hello Leo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Leo, this is your reading for the month of May and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. In this reading, Leo will see what is your energy, what do you need to know, what are the general messages and what are the love messages you need to know. I'm shuffling the cards, I'll lay them down and then we'll see what you need to know. Leo, what you need to know. Leo, what do you need to know for the month of May? And yes, by the way, I have been getting a lot of requests over the mail for personal readings, and I had stopped doing personal readings. I did it only for Feb and March, but then I got so many mails. I'm feeling obligated to do the readings. Again, I have reopened the readings for the month of May, but please note I'm going to do very limited readings, guys. Okay, I'm really thankful that you have shown so much of interest in getting done personal readings with me, but again, those are going to be very limited. So if you're interested in a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. I had to pause the video. There was someone at the door. Okay. All right. So if you're interested in getting done a personal reading with me, you can get in touch with me over the mail. I've continued the one question, two question, three question series. Okay. But again, please note that I'm doing limited reading, guys. I don't have time, very honestly. Like, there are a couple of other things also that I'm doing, so please understand. All right, Leo. So let's see what you need to know for the month of May. We have the Justice. You might be dealing with Libra. Okay. What else we have? We have King of Swords. Libra energy standing out very strong. Page of Pentacles. We have Five of Wands. Then what else we have? The King of Swords energy is so prominent everywhere. We have Knight of Swords, a lot of air sign energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm also hearing Sagittarius. You might be dealing with a Sag and see what we got. We've got Sag energy. Bottom of the deck, we have Seven of Wands. You might see a lot of 1111. You might see a lot of 777 or 717. A lot of 555 as well. Okay. If I have to talk about the overall general energy, Leo, then I do see that you're trying to incorporate certain major changes in your life, and you're also ready to go above and beyond to incorporate or implement those changes, because somewhere there is a drive that is certain thing that is pushing you, and that thing is a deep desire to make things right for yourself. The thing is, you are kind of coming to this realization that if I want something to happen in my life, then I am responsible for that. Okay, no one else is going to do things for me. It's not the case that you were dependent on other people or you had expectations from other people uh, for them to fulfill your desires and your goals. But what I feel over here is somewhere you're feeling like I want to take control of my own life. Okay. Maybe you had someone who was very controlling and uh, wanted to decide the course of your life. But now I do feel like you're trying to take the reins of your life back into your hand. Okay. And you want to move your life in the direction you want to take it. Okay, so for that reasons I do see that you are implementing important changes in your life, and if at all it's necessary, you are also ready to fight for it. You are not going to give up on what you want. You are not going to give up on what you want to do. Okay, if you want to put your foot down and fight for what you think and what you want to do, you will not hesitate in doing that. So there is a very passionate energy, there is a very goal oriented energy, there is a very strong desire and passion that is pushing you in a certain direction, and whatever is needed for you to fulfill this desire, you're going to do that. Whether you're required to fight with somebody, you're required to stand up for yourself, whether you're required to burn the midnight oil for that, whatever it is, you're going to do it. Okay, so you're being driven by something. So this is an overall energy for the month of May. Then, if I have to become more specific, if I have to talk about love and romance, I clearly feel like someone from the past wants to make things right with you. Okay, they have kind of realized like they want you, they cannot imagine their life without you, they cannot live without you. It was a mistake to allow you to walk away from them. It was a mistake, whatever they might have done, something kind of whatever they did, it kind of triggered you to distance yourself from this person. It kind of triggered you to maintain your own self-respect. It kind of triggered you to prioritize yourself over them or their needs. Maybe in the past you were all about them, maybe in the past you were all about taking care of their needs, maybe in the past you were all about um, you first and me second, something of that sort. But now that dynamic is changing. You're like, no, me first. I'm going to be my own priority, because I made you a priority thinking that you will make me a priority, but you did not do that. So you did not even threw breadcrumbs at me. You didn't give me anything. So I am responsible for my own life. Again, I'm hearing this again and again. I am responsible for my own life. No one else is going to come and you know is going to make me happy or fulfill my desires and expectations. So I need to fulfill my expectations and desires. And if someone wants to someone if someone should be fulfilling my expectations and my desires, I will have to tell him what are my expectations and my desires by showing him or her the way I love myself, the way I prioritize myself. Okay, so that's what you are doing. You're actually teaching other people how to respect you, how what kind of a treatment they should give to you, by showing them how you treat yourself, by showing them how you respect yourself, by showing them how you put yourself on a pedestal. And that's how they're going to learn it, that this is the kind of treatment they should be giving you. Okay, someone from the past is definitely having a very strong realization about this, and this person is trying to come back. And somewhere I feel like this person is also becoming a bit jealous. Probably this person has seen you, someone showing interest in you, and that is driving this person crazy. That is driving this person so mad and crazy, Leo. Like, Leo is mine. You back off. You better back off. Leo is mine. Okay, so anyone who is trying to show interest in you, Leo, this person is getting so freaking pissed off. Okay, this person is kind of letting the world know through their actions, like, you know what, you bloody back off. You don't even think of Leo. Don't even dare come closer to Leo, because Leo is mine. Leo is mine, and this person is ready to change everything about themselves. They're rushing towards you, by the way. This person is rushing towards you. If at all there is a no contact situation, this person is rushing towards you, and they're ready to change whatever needs to be changed within them, so that they can have you. Deep down, this person has really strong emotions for you, like really strong emotions for you. And actually, that is what is driving them crazy. Okay, and for some of you, I do feel some travel is likely. For work related travel might also be likely. Some work related opportunities will come towards you, which is actually going to change the course of your career. There are big things that you're meant to achieve in this lifetime, and you will achieve those big things by because of certain opportunities that are coming towards you, or maybe some sort of help that is coming towards you, some sort of guidance that is coming towards you. I'm talking about career related guidance. For some of you, you probably might go back to school, college, university. Okay, whatever is happening, there are changes that are happening. I mean, whatever, um, I do feel like there are sudden changes that are happening in your life in the month of May. Okay, and unexpected changes as well. Let's talk about a new love. If at all you're interested in new love, you do have a lot of options, Leo. You have a lot of options, and these are good ones. And you probably are a bit stuck because you're feeling like, um, you know what, I think so you still have emotions for the past person. That is why you're still so stuck. If at all you want a new person, I think so this new person might come through work. Okay, you might meet this person at work or through work. There is a work related connection. Whoever this new person is, this person will be ready to offer you their entire world right away. Yeah, and that's gonna make this past person mad. This person will literally think like, I want to kidnap you, Leo. I don't want anyone else to think about you. They want to fight for you. I'm telling you, this person wants to fight for you. They want the world to know that Leo is mine. Just back off. Leo is mine. Back off. Let's see what are their thoughts and feelings. Deceit. Your cheating is not a mistake, it's a choice. Maybe you're feeling deceived by this person and that's why you're frustrated. Search, trying to connect you through sources. Yes, this person is trying to search you everywhere. They're trying to search you on social media. Maybe you have no uh, you have deactivated your social media account or something. This person is trying to search you. Reunion. I'm ready to start all over again. Yeah, this person wants a reunion with you. Okay, and they will let you know. This person is, I'm telling you, this person is going mad without you. You're judging me and making your own opinions. This person thinks that you're judging them a lot and that you should not be judging them. That's what this person is thinking. Fascination. Your cute smile attracts me towards you. This person is fascinated by you. All right, I hope this resonates, and hit like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Till that time, take care, have a great time, and bye bye. This is your spread. Okay. Bye, Leo.